What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, it will not get any better. No better it won't get. This morning, I'm trying to make this video from yesterday. Yes, from yesterday. I'm trying to make this video. Guys, I want you to listen to all these things. What I'm about to show you is very, very sad. Very sad. 8 kids. 8 kids. The youngest one is 1 year old. And I want you to watch this video, listen to this video, and just remember that domestic violence is no joke. Guys, also I want to say to you, if when you're in a relationship and you saw something one time, like a man or a woman would say to you, they will analyze you if you try to leave them. Please do not take it for a joke. Don't take it simple. Don't take it for a joke. In this video, I'll show you the kids. I'll show you the man and the woman. And I'll let you listen to some of the news. Guys, when you have a relationship and you have a serial cheater, a person who cheats a lot, stop take it for a joke. Like he cheats and then you forgive him. He cheats, you forgive him. He cheats, you forgive him. It sometimes don't end up well. And we are seeing that. We are seeing that it doesn't end up well. My viewers and subscribers, watch this video. And right here now, I have these are the kids that lose their life. Just take a good look at them. They haven't started life yet. They don't know what life is really about. And it's a picture of the man who do all this. The 2 ladies is in hospital, critical, and one young guy, I think age 15, he is in the hospital but with non-life-threatening injury. This happened in Louisiana yesterday morning at 6 o'clock. I was trying to make this video all day yesterday. Domestic violence is not a joke. It's a very dangerous thing. Very, very dangerous. Watch this video. And guys, as soon as more information come out, I will be bringing you more information. But this is a cheating guy who cheated on this lady, and this lady decided that enough is enough. Let him know that she will leave him because she's tired of what he's been doing to her with cheating. And this is the outcome. 8 kids lose their life. Sad. Very, very sad.
News out of Louisiana, where police say 8 children have been shot and killed while 2 others are wounded. CNN's Rafael Romo joins us now with more on this. What happened?
Very, very tragic story, Fred. According to Shreveport police, officers responded to reports of shots fired just after 6 this morning and found victims in 2 homes along West 79th Street and a 3rd home on nearby Harrison Street in the city's Cedar Grove neighborhood. Shreveport Police Corporal Chris Bordelon said he described what officers found as a very large scene with multiple deceased children present. Bordelon called what happened a domestic disturbance. He said the victims ranged in age from 1 to 14 years old. You heard that right, 1 to 14. And were all apparently shot by the same individual who happens to be related to some of the victims. Bordelon also said that the shooter also carjacked a vehicle not far from where the shooting took place. And at that point, the chase ensued with Shreveport police officers right behind the suspect. This is what happened next, according to the corporal. Let's take a listen.
The vehicle was chased into Bossier Parish, and at which point in time, Shreveport police officers did discharge their firearm, and that individual is deceased. We do believe him to be the only individual that fired gunshots at these locations here.
And the shooting happened in House Speaker Mike Johnson's district. In a statement, Johnson said, "We're holding the victims, their families and loved ones, and our Shreveport community close in our thoughts and prayers during this incredibly difficult time." Shreveport Mayor Tom Arsenault called the mass shooting a tragic situation. Maybe, he said, the worst tragic situation we've ever had in Shreveport. Police have not released the names of the victims or the suspected shooter, but again, 10 people shot altogether, children ranging in age from 1 to 14.
Yeah.
We're standing in this place again. There are 8 children that are deceased. I can't be strong for you. I think about the mother and what this family has lost. I think about this community and what this community